First, get your softened butter in a small mixing bowl and mix together with a spoonful of olive oil and a spoonful of minced garlic. Don't be afraid to add more garlic if you are garlic lovers. Now with your finger just gently break the membrane under the chicken skin. Don't worry, it's quite easy, and once you have broken through the membrane, just slide your finger around to form a pocket for the garlic butter to sit in. Now with your garlic butter mixture, get a small spoon to place the mixture under the chicken skin. Be careful not to break the chicken skin, or all the delicious flavors will leak out. With your fingers, gently massage the garlic butter around the chicken breast, so that it's evenly distributed. Any leftover garlic butter mixture can now be rubbed onto the chicken. This will add more delicious flavors and help give you that lovely crispy chicken skin that everybody craves for. Now set aside, and make sure you wash your hands. Now get your roasting tray. Place a wire rack over the top of your tray, and place the chicken on the rack. It's important that you place the chicken breast side down for the first stage of cooking. You may want to add about 500 milliliters of water to the bottom of your roasting tray. This will help keep your chicken moist, and you can use the liquid to create a delicious gravy later. We have used a 1.8 kilogram chicken in this video. You can adjust your cooking times to suit your chicken's weight. We are using the easiest way to roast a chicken, in a combination microwave oven. Set to 180 degrees heat and 50% microwave. This halves the cooking time and saves on average an hour's worth of electricity compared to the standard conventional oven. Approximately halfway through the cooking time, you will need to turn your chicken over. Be careful as it will be hot. Now place back into the oven breast side up. as your chicken is now cooking. Your kitchen will now be filling with the gorgeous aromas of a roasted chicken with that hint of garlic, sure to whet the appetite of all family members. This is when your family start asking, when will that chicken be ready? Now it's those last few moments of the cooking time left. We have taken a 1.8 kilo chicken and infused it with garlic and roasted it in half the normal time. We hope you have enjoyed our first video. We are a new group of home cooks and love cooking our family's great tasty meals. And over the coming weeks we'll be sharing with you simple but tasty and easy to follow meals, and helping you to save some time and money. So if you could please hit the subscribe button, that would be great. And thank you so much for watching.